He's gonna book center to go to the bucket, okay?
So, okay.
I got your spot, okay? I'll keep you covered. Go to him, let him know you're ready.
Let's go! I'm gonna get another mag in. I'm gonna start running with you guys.
Hey, does any of you have long range?
We got the flag. We just need to bring it to the bucket.
Guys, we just need to get the flag down to the bucket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta get to that building and then work my way up.
What's the hold up? What are we doing?
Oh, we're waiting for everyone to get ready to go.
We gotta get it down there.
Are we gonna rush or
Yeah.
something? I'm just going full sprint.
We gotta work the
Wait, where's the bucket at?
Bucket's hanging on the tree.
On a tree?
We got 3 EMG guys holding it down. Oh, the Rex just put the
Wait.
back. Where do you put it?
Oh, wait, the orange guys in the raft?
Right here. Tree. It's about 100 yards that way. Straight ahead. So far. You'll see an orange bucket sitting in like some trees.
It's behind those trees right there, huh?
Yeah. The guys in the trench.
So we gotta move more left.
Well, yeah, we need to get back down there. You're not gonna be able to rush down the hill. They're gonna shoot you.
Now I'm trying to go back to spawn and then up.
Well, come on. They can't shoot you that far.
You guys ready?
Up the hill.
Everyone ready? Let's go.
I got this. Go, that's good. Go.
BB's flying. Where's the flag? You see him up there?
Yeah, everything's fine. Oh, it's ours.
Oh, that's our guy. They're all forward then. Oh.
Okay. We're right up in here. Probably gonna at least 10 people out.
And you're walking out right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo!
Light him up, Boyle. Light him the fuck up. Hey, what do you got there?
One guy's running up.
It's close.
Someone go grab that flag. I'm gonna run up there.
We gotta push it. I fucking heard that. Where is he? When somebody whizzes shit right over the head. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Okay.
Can we move up?
No. I'm riding to the trench. You can't. I'll crawl There's somebody hitting right in front of this grass. Dude, they were stringing shit right off the top of this fucking grass at me. Somebody's right on us.
The grenade!
Oh, fuck! Oh! It's dead. Woo!
We'll wait it out.
Did it go off? No, I don't think so. Okay, don't get near. I could go off at any second.
We got guys up there. Oh, get back. Oh, there's guys up on the left. If we go up here, they got a clear shot of us.
We were so close to the bucket too.
Where's the flag? It's on the next cover, right?
Where's that motherfucker at? Their sniper's right on that fucking flag, dude.
If we're gonna have to get it. We need suppression fire from back those guys up in the covers.
Hey, guys in the trench. Hey. I knew it. Fuck.
They all gone?
Hands up and go. We got one up. Oh, I hit it. We
Where?
got one right up above.
From the upper side, the hill. I don't know where that came from. Everyone's going out now.
Where's he at? I'm moving back.
I'm moving back.
How's it looking?
Hey! You need to crawl to that barrier if you can. We'll provide silvery support. You got that?
Yeah.
You got my tail in the bucket. Go to that hill.
Oh.